Hi, welcome back to Jess Kitchen. Today I'll be making gluten-free spring rolls. So the ingredient for the filling of the spring roll is I'll be using 500 gram of pork mince, 300 to 400 gram fresh prawns already chopped finely. I'm going to be using medium size of onion. I use 2 of them, and I've already chopped it finely as well. I also use the sweet potato. I've grated them, but I use the purple skin sweet potato. You can use any type of sweet potato, but today I've decided to use the purple skin. And the glass noodle, vermicelli. Okay, and also I'll be using 1 egg. Now for the chili sauce, I'll be using 2 to 3 cloves of chopped fine garlic. Chili, I use 3 fresh chili. I chop it finely as well. Some lime, sugars, fish sauce, and white pepper is the ingredient that I'll be using for the sauce and also for the filling. Now with the pastry, I bought a rice paper roll. You can buy this in any supermarket or Chinese supermarket. You can buy that. Okay, let's start cooking. First of all, I'm going to add the vermicelli. The vermicelli, I buy it in the Chinese supermarket or local supermarket, that's fine. I've already soaked them and dried them and make them cool. So I'll be using like maybe 2 handfuls of this. And I'm going to add the pork. And I'm going to add in the prawns all together. And then I'm going to add the onions. Then I'm going to use some of the sweet potato as well. And then I'm going to add the egg. Okay, I'm going to add some sugar, maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar. The white pepper, maybe 2 teaspoons of white pepper. And the fish sauce. Fish sauce maybe about 2 or 3 tablespoons, guys. And you just mix it. Make sure your hands are clean. You just mix them all up with the egg. Okay. Mix it all together. I haven't eaten a gluten-free, or I haven't even made a gluten-free spring roll before. So this is the first time I'm doing. I've got a girlfriend who requested for a recipe for gluten-free spring rolls. So Cassie, this is for you. Just mix it all up together. Okay, so it looks like because I'm using a large quantity of the ingredient, I'm going to add another egg so it'll bind together firmly. Okay. And what I will also do is I'm going to add a little bit more of the fish sauce, a little bit more of the white pepper, oops, and just one more, maybe half a teaspoon of the sugar. And I'm going to mix it all up again. Hopefully this time. Alright, so now I'm going to wrap the spring roll onto the rice paper roll. Okay, so you boil water and you put on the large white bowl. I watched MasterChef that day, and they add a bit of sugar into the water So just they say that the rice paper, when you fry them, it won't stick. So hopefully that works. So now with the rice paper roll, now when you put into the water, try not to soak it too long because it'll get really soggy. Yeah, and try to put like a tea towel or paper towel on it so that it will soak through the water when you wrap the spring roll. Because once you fry, it doesn't go too bubbly or it goes crazy, the oil spread everywhere. So make sure when you dip it in, you take it out as soon as possible. So like this, you just turn it around quickly, make sure it's all covered. And see, even though it looks like it's still tough, hard, it's not. Okay, and you just put it here. And you just take the spring roll fillings and you put here. And make sure it's all nice and firm. Okay. Then you can wrap it. When you wrap it, make sure it's really tight because it's all sticky, guys. This is not the normal spring roll that you use. This is the rice paper roll. Okay. Yeah. Once again, dip it quickly. Make sure it's all covered. Okay. Take it out. Put on the paper towel or on the tea towel. And just get a spoon. Can't wait to eat them. I haven't eaten this. I mean, I always buy them in the supermarket or I buy them in the Vietnamese fresh Vietnamese roll shops. I've never made them before, so this is the first time I've been making this. Alright, so I've wrapped a few of the gluten-free spring roll. I'm going to put in the fridge for 5-10 minutes so I can start on my dipping sauce, okay? With the dipping sauce, I will put the chili, the chopped fine chilies, the chopped fine garlic, I'm gonna add some fish sauce, I'm gonna add some of this sugar, maybe 1 teaspoon at the moment. I also want to add some chili flakes, guys, because chili flakes make it more spicier. So I'm just gonna add maybe about 1 teaspoon of the chili flakes. Then I'm going to squeeze in the lime juice. Oh, it smells so good already. Okay. So when the spring rolls are already all fried, I normally like to wrap it with a fresh lettuce and also some Vietnamese mint leaf or any sort of mint leaf. You just wrap it with the spring roll. It tastes delicious. A whole lime, but I just cut it into half and cut it into quarters so that I can squeeze out all the juice. Mix it all up. I'm just gonna taste it. Okay, so I have heated up the oil when I was making the dipping sauce earlier, so it should be hot enough. So I'm just gonna there. Hopefully it doesn't go as much bubbles. When you take out the spring roll from the plate, make sure it's quite sticky, so make sure you pull it up gentle, guys. So excited to eat them. Never made them before, so hopefully it will taste as good as the restaurant. I think that's enough. So it's good that it doesn't splash too much oil, because normally when you have a wet pastry, a wet roll, paper roll, it'll go everywhere. So make sure when you wrap it, you use a tea towel to put it on the line, so that when it goes on the tea towel, the water hopefully have absorbed from the tea towel. Turn it. It's sticky, so I'm just going to use a fork to separate them. Alright, looks like it's going to be ready soon. I guess for me to find out whether or not the pork and the prawn is cooked, I'm waiting for the paper roll, the rice paper roll, to be a little bit brown, so I can take it out. Now Casey, if you are watching this is just for you, my girl. Okay, so I think it's ready. What I normally do, I watch people, they like to cut it into quarters. Let me just check. It's perfectly cooked, guys. Look, it's perfectly cooked. So I'm just gonna cut into quarters. Okay, now the moment of truth is to try them. Still hot. Okay, I'm gonna add the leaf, the lettuce leaf. I'm gonna put some mint leaf. Gonna put the spring roll on it. I'm gonna put the chili on it. Okay, and I'm gonna try them, of course. Hopefully I don't get burned. So good. It's just like the Vietnamese restaurant that you go to and you eat them. So this is my quick and easy recipe for gluten-free spring roll. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.